On the wildcards, we solved match cases and paragraph mark. But how about find whole words only, match prefix, and match suffix? On the special, while the wildcard is enabled, we have beginning of word and end of word. So we could use these two operators to solve many issues like prefix and suffix. Allow me to type some words, maybe one simple random text. And here, after video, I want to type few things with red color to be obvious. Let's say and, band, brand, branded, and land, and one more maybe and. Okay. How can I start using anything? Start with and. Of course, we could use a special, beginning of word, and just type and. Let's search here. Find next, started with and this one. So it has to start with and, which it is match prefix. How about suffix? It is very simple. Instead of using this, smaller than, I'm gonna use larger than, but note that it is not beginning by the end. Here, you have to insert at the end. Now I'm start searching. Find next, of course the and finished with and. Brand, actually band, brand, land, and. Okay. So we solved prefix and suffix. How we could search whole words only? Of course, we have multiple solutions. One solution is use the space, space before and after. It means we have definitely one character here. But you have to combine it because before it might be beginning of the paragraph or sentence, so it doesn't work. We could use start with and finish with space. Something like that. Let me try to, it is working or not. Yes, only ends. Or you could actually combine those together, beginning and end. Start with and end with end. Actually like this. And if I find it, again, only searching for ends. They match whole words only. So by using smart solutions of these operators combination, not only we have one solution, we have more than one, and we could use multiple methods to do that. How can I find any ad with red color? Of course, the whole word. Go to format, font color is red, okay, and highlight them all. Only red ends. You see, here it is not highlighted, but we have to highlight it.